The custody case of Najat has been adjourned to the 13th of November 2026. Adofo mako aba news on Najat Musufu Panisha Tam so subscribe to news on Najat for also sham dem news on Najat ability to be on the Adofo regarding the custody, who will be the sole custody in parenting the daughter Najat, between the two parents, which is Chantel and Humble Soul, father and mother to Chantel Najat. No. Now, all over, no, there has been period of time, case we shall see. Now, the kind of a Humble Soul, me person me shall say free baby infant baby. Now, Monty Asemnasi, the kind of Humble Soul. I didn't go share prison and Nam said, and Mama say, now Chantel was underage. Now, even from the own onset, Chantel any Humble Soul away and Nana, Chantel free Humble Soul Nkwande, let me raise your life for 4 good years. After 4 good years later, Nimame Ebeche, Humble Soul regarding stories I echo around. That is what I am actually explaining. But the child has been with Humble Soul for 4 good years. Akolano, 4 years are outing in Papanche, and Nimame say from news is around. Now, Nimame Ebeche no I Chantel mame ebeche Humble Soul say what defile neba because now under 18 and on nuko. But before then kwapo no na Chantel ete Humble Soul fie wa bra na Humble Soul hwe no ansa na oba bewo our bra na offer yefunu offer Najat yefunu na ono not Humble Soul fie Humble Soul hwe Chantel no ansa na owu wie obe free ne nchen odwane free akola no ho ejai Humble Soul no. Now quick forward, I'm about to change to and a later agreement. Everybody said and the ombayan say, maybe ombayan no shift, ombayan shift, maybe a weekend. Would the akolan beba Chantel ho na a week no na akolana somebody Humble Soul ho na a cosa. Now so Humble Soul anti me and this to say esan senti or chem say or say na or issue ni lawyer say ni lawyer like Chantel no. One ni lawyer no onko ko kire no baby ono oti ono Chantel oti esan se ono Humble Soul no onim baby Chantel oti na sisi asoko jaya akola no ehye ne nsan ba ko sisan eno ti wentimi and this sa e ma Chantel ankasa e de ni pe guys bi di nechi e ba Humble Soul fie so mo be fa Najat no by force by fire na Humble Soul no o hwe no kokurasa no ne ho on d2. You see, guy, I'm Peneda. I'm social media, more up and down. My story, I'm just refreshing it. I have a laptop, no, you're refreshing. Computer, refresh. F5 now, but F5 now, refreshing, and I'm refreshing actually. Until you're rewinding now, you're back into the today topic. I have case now, I journey to 13th of November. Filing, Chantel, na di kind echo file case, no. Our court, penny baby say, Udi kind of court, I don't just say. Udi kind of penny for boot Benny say, Udi kind of court, I don't just what the beam. And see, Chantel, the kind of copy court, and I'll file in the case, say, or pay, so on taking the full custody of Najat. And your friend is saying, and Humble Soul, so I file in the so on so person taking full custody. Now, and then on the 28th of August 2026, and I'm going to PM court. And I'm going to PM court, you know, at the district court of in Kaswa, Akwele district court, and I'm going to PM ho. And I'm going to PM ho no. Atem differ otina konyamu share both side no say no. According to the lawyer for Humble Soul, no, according to her, in Nasem na me quote, or Jim say, court no eji omo plead no etum say ombe custody omo take full custody of akola no, but yenya ma ruling here eno tia na agene no den tia agene ni say ye pese yen check say in social terms any like akola no any well being na se for nyina no pese omo nye inquiry pese omo ye research e found un say Humble Soul betimi ahwa akola na obetimi take that full custody or seek it obetimi ahwa akola no to say at the extent of how it should be. My go tie Humble Soul lawyer no.
Thank you to all Humble fans, Humble Soul fans, Najat fans. We thank every Ghanaian who has supported the cause of Humble Soul and Najat. We also want to thank every single father and every single mother who believes in the struggle to be a responsible parent. At this stage, we'll say that the applicant, who is Chantel, has filed for custody and access of Najat. And we have equally filed our response to that. Today, the court considered our application, our oral application for a social enquiry report, an official one for the court, to be conducted to ascertain certain things and bring that report to the court. And the case has been adjourned to the 13th of November. And that's all my client and I we have to say. Thank you and have a good day.
So today is the first time the case of Chantel and Yusuf comes before the court for the child custody of Najat. And I intimated to the court I've just been engaged in this matter, for which reason we want to amend the process that we filed. Therefore, the court has granted us the 13th of November, by which time we are back. We have filed and served Yusuf and his lawyers as well, so that the case will take its course, and then we are hoping for the end.
Until then, 13th November 2026, Bebano. Adofo, you keep you update on the Ebako Sibia Najat ne custody case. No, may also subscribe to Unisaw Najat. Follow all social media on the Unisaw Najat. Celebrate Subiano. Maybe I hear Musufu Pani Shelter. Bana say the macro for now. Goodbye.
Thank you to all humble fans, humble soul fans, Najat fans. We thank every Ghanaian who has supported the cause of Humble Soul and Najat. We also want to thank every single father and every single mother who believes in the struggle to be a responsible parent. At this stage, we'll say that the applicant, who is Chantel, has filed for custody and access of Najat. And we have equally filed our response to that. Today, the court considered our application, our oral application for a social enquiry report, an official one for the court, to be conducted to ascertain certain things and bring that report to the court. And the case has been adjourned to the 13th of November. And that's all my client and I we have to say. Thank you and have a good day.